I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Geek Champ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update macOS on your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, or whatever Mac you have. But before updating, make sure your Mac is plugged into power and connected to the internet. It's also recommended to backup your Mac using Time Machine. As soon as you do all this, click on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now click on System Settings. Once the settings open, if a macOS update is available on your Mac, you'll see a prompt saying software update available. You can directly click on it and access the update, or you can also tap on General in left side pane and then click on software update. Now you will see the update listed here in the left side pane. To install it, simply click on update now. After that, you will need to agree to the terms and condition by clicking on agree. Then enter your password when prompted. Once you have done that, your Mac will restart and begin installing the update. That's it. That's how you can update macOS on your Mac. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.